Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I wanted you to see that one of my lock loops fell out, and this is what it looks like. Another one is on its way out. And I'm thinking it's because it's dry and I've taken the ends loose to make it dry even faster. I don't think I've ever had curls like these before in my Sisterlocks. I'm loving the way they're falling with the lock loop. But I'm going to go ahead and start in the back, keep going in the back. I've been taking those loose that were coming loose, and I realize that I don't have a rhyme or reason for what I'm doing. I'm taking some of them loose, and when they come loose, when I say taking it loose, I'm taking them from the hole. This one seems a little bit damp, but I'm going to go on. So I'm going to advise you not to put lock loops in your hair on completely wet hair or right after shampooing, but let it air dry a little bit, or start with dry hair and just mist it. So I think I am not having all the curls that I want because my hair was extremely damp when I rolled it. But it still looks good, guys. It still looks good. And I'm just taking my time, taking them out. And I use the Shea Moisture. I use Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Moisture Mist on my locks in order to set it. So I hope it holds. This one is not completely dry. I'm putting them directly back in the bag because I don't like to handle things twice. That's just extra work for me.
picture on my timeline.
That one's a little bit damp. This one's a little bit damp. And this is what my hair looks like after using Loc Loops. You're going to see what it looks like before I do, because I am going to do my 360. And I'll be filling you in on the rest of my day. I am going to ask anyone that I am with to video or take pictures so that I can share them with you. I am just going to be enjoying my birthday. Have a great day. You guys, I was about to run my fingers over my hair and I found another Loc Loop. You know me, I'm always missing something. And I just had to come back and show you this. This was funny. It was just so funny.
Happy birthday, Sylvia. Happy birthday, Sylvia. Birthday, Sylvia. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sylvia. Happy birthday. Yeah.
Thank you. You can stop it. It was Alan's.
Alan's? That was Alan's cake?
Was I not there? Because I don't remember this incident.